Another important point to consider while purchasing antivirus software is customer support. Imagine a situation when you feel that your computer system is not functioning properly, or you feel that some virus has hit your computer system, or some data is being deleted from your computer system, some virus has hit. So at that, this is the crucial time when you seek help online from the customer support. If the customer support is proper at that time of help, then it can save you from a lot of mental tension, as well as your data may be protected from the cyber attack, or much damage may not be caused to your computer system and the data lying therein. Because when timely help is available to you, the customer support will guide you what precautions or what actions you can take. So we should, while purchasing antivirus software, we should see during which period customer support is available and what are its various channels. We should purchase an antivirus software where the vendor provides 24 by 7 technical support, that is throughout the whole day, during daytime as well as during night time. Continuous technical customer support is available through various channels such as phone, email, live chat. Multiple channels of customer support are available. When you know that customer support is available to you round the clock, it provides you peace of mind. And this continuous availability of customer support is vital. If your device is infected, then quality and expertise is also important to look into. You can go through reviews of other customers which are available online to verify the quality and expertise of the support team. Because the customer support team will guide you at the time of installation, because it may be possible that you are not in a position to install antivirus software yourself in your computer system. You have purchased the same online. If you go to the market, it may be possible that you may take your devices with you and the shopkeeper will install the antivirus software in your device. But when you purchase the same online, you will have to install the same yourself. So customer support will guide you at the time of installation and also at the time of troubleshooting. Because when there is problem in your computer system and your antivirus software is not working properly, or some other problem is there, then at that time customer support will also guide you. And they will also guide you when there is complicated removal of malware is involved. You are yourself not in a position to remove the malware from your computer system, then the technical support team of the vendor will guide you in such a scenario. Then you should prioritize to purchase an antivirus software from the vendor which provides online self-help resources such as frequently asked questions and video tutorials are available online. You should see that these types of facilities are provided by the vendor to guide you to resolve some common issues yourself. You are in a position to resolve common issues yourself. So these are the various points which we should look into point so far as customer support of the antivirus vendor is concerned. If customer support is good, then you will naturally have peace of mind and you will naturally get proper guidance when the same is required. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.